30 and I work in PR. I'm also trans woman and I'm finally getting myself a hair transplant from DHI. And I think it's important to note that as trans women, we deal with all of insecurities with, trying to feminize ourselves more. And one of the things that I've been dealing with is my high hairline, naturally high hairline, which is like, genetic. And I've been I've been wanting to really change the way that the proportions of my hairline and my forehead to help me achieve my goals of looking more feminized and all. And traditionally trans women go through the surgery which involves, lowering the scalp and really reducing the forehead. But I'm so happy to have, found out about a procedure that is faster, safer, and at the same time, has shorter downtime, which is like a total come-on for me. And that's with DHI Philippines with the direct hair transplant. So I'm excited to finally go through that procedure and have to worry less about this insecurity of mine and actually do something about it. Hello everyone, so there's Jen here. So she'll help us explain the new first step of the procedure.
We're going to have a haircut. So we're going to have two small line shape here so that you will look hindi siya pansin.
Yung purpose niyan, Nurse Jen, ay dun harvest yung hair. Okay, so for the girls, hindi naman siya halata kasi cover siya ng long hair. No need to worry. So there you go, friends. The part of the hair.
Everything will finish after the procedure para wala.
Dry now. Just finished magpakulay ng hair. For those asking, it wasn't painful because you're under local anesthesia. No pain at all actually. So I guess it's the number one concern. So sneak peek of all the hair follicles that were taken from me. Sobrang dami. So like in my case, they need 2,500. So later they will, part 2 is they're gonna design the hairline. So now it's time to wait for part 2 where we design the final hairline. They have the whole space yourself and they buy you lunch. Yeah. Okay. Slay me. Okay, so now we just mapped the hairline and now I'm here with Dr. Raf.
Hello.
To my fans.
Here we are.
To your fans.
So whenever we're drawing on a hairline, what we want to do is to really cut out all of the corners. So making a really soft center at the middle, avoiding any kind of widow's peak which might look too strong. Okay. And then really cutting out the corner of the temple to really slant it out in an organic curve, so that we still respect the tiny curve that comes in front of the ears, and so that at the front, on the side, and when you look down, you really feminize the hairline, especially with tight up styles.
So that's the goal, to make it like a beauty queen hairstyle pulled up one.
Exactly.
Okay.
Right, we're ready to rock.
A bit more, like half an inch until there's an illusion that it goes down. Guns. Slimy, babae, realness. So day 2 of the procedure and still looking to find the house. But I think there's a bit more swelling swelling has gone down a bit on the sides, and it's looking narrower, but in the middle it's a bit like bumpy, and yeah, swelling is almost localized in this area. So there, but it is going lower than which I liked. So there. Day 4 quick update. So today was the first time I totally shampooed my hair, including the implanted area, and it seems like a new scalp has developed, and it feels like tighter, and it seems like the roots really got in there. So yeah, I'll be using like baby shampoo for the next few days. Day 6 quick update. So now it's really shedding and flaking, so it's a bit itchy, but that's expected for the next 3 months as the follicle tries to renew itself. I've been trying to like really massage that area ever so gently with baby shampoo twice a day, and yeah, at least now I can like wear my hair down and you won't be able to see the difference just yet. There. So quick update while waiting for the class to start. It's day 12 post-op, and it kind of grew already, and it's really settling in. Like it's like extended scalp now. And then I can now resume like light exercises. It's the perfect time to try out like yoga or not like Pilates. So it's still, the ugly face is still expected to like extend until 2 to 3 months, and by then it should grow like normally. There. So today I'm back at DHI for my PRP treatment. Tama ba? It's like platelet rich plasma, right? So I'm with Doc Jamie, so she'll help me. So apparently PRP will help improve the health of my hair. It's gonna make it thicker and longer and stronger, I would say. Okay, so first step is what, Doc? What's gonna happen?
We're just gonna get blood, around 10 ml of blood, and then after that, we'll just process it and then RP. Separate the solid and the liquid and get the PRP.
Okay, so we'll see later. Okay, let's go. So we're cleansing.
So that
We know why we love. Time to clean before the injection. So what's that though? Water lang.
This is a cleanser plus a little bit of alcohol, but it's mostly a cleanser. Okay, so may antiseptic siya ng konti.
And so, loading into the, ano tawag dyan daw? And then to put here in the gun. So, no anesthesia to doctor.
No anesthesia. So this is how it's gonna sound. This is how it's gonna feel.
Yun na yun, Doc. Ito starting na. Parang siyang like massage. Parang siyang massage. Kailan na?